So what are the storage fees and fulfillment fees which will be charged on an item? There are two ways of finding out the fulfillment fee for an item. The easiest is to go into Inventory, Manage FBA Inventory, and you will see a list of your FBA items. You can then click on the estimated fee per unit sold, and down here you will see the FBA fee. If you have a number of items you want to find the fulfillment fee for, you can download a report. If you go into Report, Fulfillment by Amazon, and download the fee preview report, when you download the report, you will get a list of information about the product, including the product size and also the expected domestic fulfillment fee per unit. In this case, it's £2.90 per item. If you cross-reference this to the FBA rate card, you will be able to see which band this product's in. For example, this £2.90 means that it is a standard parcel, and that standard parcel is less than 2 kilos. If you want to find the storage cost per item, you need to go into Reports, Fulfillment by Amazon, Payments, and the Monthly Storage Feed report. From this report you have the item volume, and you also have the item volume units. In this case it's cubic feet, and the rate card gives us the charge per cubic foot per month. Given this information and the product tier size, if you recall there's a different charge for standard and oversized products, you can calculate the charge to store one product for 1 month. FBA storage fees are charged on the average daily volume which is stored. Given this information, Amazon calculates the estimated monthly storage fee, which can be seen here in column V. So to work for this example in detail, in this case the item volume is 0.096 cubic feet. The average quantity on hand is 0.055, that's over the course of a month. The storage rate is 0.065 pounds per cubic foot per month. If you multiply this together, you get the estimated monthly storage fee of 3.42 pence. Two further things to note here. The storage rate is 0.65 and it's a standard tier product, and this can be seen in the rate card. Under the monthly storage fee, it's a standard size product in a category which isn't clothing, shoes and bags, and there it is, 0.66. Secondly, if you think you're being charged too much for storage of an item, you need to contact Amazon customer support to get them to update the dimensions. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.